seconds. Without further ado, these are 10 amazing animals on planet Earth. Number 10. Mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp is found in the Indo-Pacific Oceans and is arguably the most colorful ocean creature on the planet. Their outer shell embodies bright colors of blue, green, orange, and red. Aside from its colorful body, this ocean animal has one of the most advanced visual systems in the animal kingdom. The organ of sight is equipped with 16 color-receptive rods. To put this in perspective, humans only have 3. Yes, we're blessed with clear eyesight, but the mantis shrimp beat us to our game. They can process more colors than the human eyes, including ultraviolet and polarized light. To top it all, they deliver the fastest punch at 0.22 seconds, which can crack a crab's hard shell easily. Their raptorial appendages have massive muscles that extend to their full length in hundredths of a second. They first appeared in the oceans 400 million years ago and have evolved since then. Today, there are about 500 known species of mantis shrimp. This animal is one of the world's most impressive predators in the sea and even beat the sharks to their game. Number 9. Glass-winged butterfly. No insect beats the glass-winged butterfly in terms of beauty and mystery. It is their transparent wings that earn them their name. This fantastic feature is due to the remarkable features formed around the wings. They allow light to pass through instead of the reflection of scattering. You can find them in the humid forests of Central America. For animals like this, it is difficult to spot them, but thanks to the borders around their wings, you can quickly identify them. Although they look fragile, they can carry up to 40 times their weight. Their transparent wings help them hide from predators. Many national parks are working on conserving this insect to keep them longer. Like most special insects, this butterfly migrates seasonally and appears in parts of Florida. They can travel at speeds of 8 miles per hour and are more robust than typical bugs. Research on this animal has inspired scientists to improve the functionality of eye implants. Number 8. Clouded leopard. Leopards are regular animals, but there's a species that isn't so rampant. The clouded leopard is one of them. The shy but beautiful cat lives in the forests of Southeast Asia. As their name suggests, their beauty is compared to the clouds in the sky because of their skin pattern. They are one of the smallest family members of big cats, weighing between 16 to 22 kilograms. Their long tail, which is the same length of their body, aids balancing. Since they're good climbers, they spend most of their time on trees, but scientists believe they do most of their hunting on the ground. Their strong legs, sharp claws, and giant paws ensure a good grip while climbing. Researchers are unsure of their wild behavior, but they can be solitary animals like most cats. Females give birth to about 5 cubs every year, and the young remain dependent for about 10 months. It is said that there are less than 1,000 species of clouded leopards in the wild, and this number is steadily decreasing due to poaching and deforestation. Number 7. NICOBAR pigeon. The NICOBAR pigeon's blue-green feathers outshine other pigeon species in the world. These gorgeous creatures live in the Nicobar regions of Bengal, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Papua New Guinea. A mature animal weighs over 600 grams and measures between 40 and 42 centimeters long. They used to be found in more significant numbers, but today, that large association is rare due to their declining population. Pet trade and habitat loss are the greatest threats facing this animal. This means that we would only read about them in books or watch documentaries on them in a few years to come. One of the most impressive features of this bird is its muscular gizzard that helps them feed on hard nuts. In the wild, they breed in places where humans can hardly get to. Their mating season starts with courtship, which lasts for a few days. They prefer traveling in flocks of almost 85 birds, while they spend most of their days searching for berries, insects, and seeds in the forest. Their most prominent feature is the white tail that stands out while they're flying. Number 6. Emperor Tamarin. An emperor commands respect and always has something to look out for. The Emperor Tamarin is an enigmatic, gorgeous, and small monkey species found in Brazil and Peru's tropical rainforests. Their long white mustache earned them their name because they resemble German Emperor Wilhelm II's mustache. A mature animal weighs up to 900 grams and measures between 7 to 12 inches long. As a social animal, they live in small groups of up to 20 members. The group is led by the eldest female, although there are male members in the pack. These tiny species are affectionate towards humans and maintain a close-knit relationship with their group members. This primate is most active in the daytime and sleeps throughout the night. Sources say there are more than 500 emperor tamarins in zoos globally, but this figure has been on a steady decline due to habitat loss. Their size allows them to look for food easily. Shockingly, they can travel 30 hectares while searching for food. Number 5. Okapi. Okapi is the only living member of the giraffe family. They live in the forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. They are known for the distinctive stripe markings on their hind and forelegs which resemble zebras. They also have long necks like giraffes, but not as long as a giraffe. A mature okapi stands at 5 feet tall and weighs up to 350 kilograms. Thanks to their long ears, their sense of hearing is one of the most advanced in the animal kingdom. Like many animals, they are endangered, and as of today, there are less than 22,000 of them left in the wild. Thanks to their brown and white stripes, they can blend into their surroundings. Their food consists of twigs, leaves, buds, and other vegetation. Like giraffes, they have 4 stomachs that help them digest tough plants. This elusive animal prefers to be alone, but sometimes they congregate in small groups to groom, eat, and play. Their calf can walk 30 minutes after they're born, but won't defecate until they're a month old. Number 4. Elephant shrew. The elephant shrew is a small mammal found in Africa. The adorable creature is named after its flexible and long snout. As of today, there are 20 known species of elephant shrews in the African continent. You'll find them in most woodlands, grasslands, and forests. They have slender limbs, large eyes, a long tail, and long hind legs. They have varying furs, which could be white, gray, black, or brown. It's their hind legs that help them leap like a rabbit. They also boast an excellent sense of smell and hearing, which allows them to escape from predators. Their musky smell serves as a deterrent against many carnivores. Finding a mate is difficult since they live in highly fragmented forests. Elephant shrews form monogamous pairs and are seldomly together, but they keep track of each other through scent markings. They give birth 4 to 5 times a year, and their newborns are hidden for the first 3 weeks, after which they follow their mother for a week. They feed on termites, spiders, millipedes, earthworms, and beetles. Number 3. Orange spider tortoise. The orange spider tortoise is named after its web-like pattern of yellow lines on its black or brown shell. It has a dark head and yellow spots on its head. Their legs and tail are brown, with the male smaller than the female counterpart. They spend most of their time under vegetation to regulate body temperature. This spider tortoise is very active during the wet season, and in the dry season, they become dormant. They grow to only 7 inches or less, making them the smallest of Madagascar's 4 tortoise species. You'll find them in the narrow belt of the dry forest along southwestern coast of Madagascar. They eat grass, roots, insects, and cow dung. When they are in confinement, they make do with collard greens, chicory, and kale. Little is known about their reproduction style, but they begin to look for a mate at the end of their dormancy season. The eggs incubate for about 220 to 250 days before hatching. Sadly, this animal is a victim of the illegal exotic pet trade and hunted for meat. Thankfully, organizations like the Turtle Survival Alliance are working to protect their habitat and create a breeding colony.
Now it's time for today's best pick.
This image was sent to us by a subscriber. If you come across an image on the internet and want to know more about it, please send it to us. We'll analyze it and possibly feature it in our next video. Number 2. Lyrebird. Lyrebirds are talented with an exceptional mimicking ability that is second to none. Most birds are blessed with this gift, but this species takes things to a whole new level because they can imitate power tools, industrial equipment, and just about any sound in the world. Native to Australia, they are known for their vivid mating displays where the males show off their long tail feathers and vocal abilities. Anatomically, they have a unique syrinx of all passerines. Instead of the usual 4 syringeal muscles in birds, this one has 3, but scientists are unsure if the simplification contributes to their sonorous voice. It is unclear why they can mimic many sounds, but scientists speculate they have good photographic memory equivalent. They don't struggle to impress their potential mates when it's time. All you need to do is make those beautiful sounds and the potential partner is in their arms. We have to give it to this versatile and unique bird.
Before we move on, I have a little challenge for you that'll take 5 seconds to complete. So here's the deal. Just leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, and you'll get 25 years of good luck. Try it. It really works.
Number 1. Red panda. Red pandas are small mammals with fluffy tails and red and white markings. Although these share some similarities with pandas, they are not one. This animal was first described in 1825, even before the giant panda was catalogued. When Frederick Cuvier saw it, he described it as the most beautiful animal he had seen, and indeed, it was. They were first classified as relatives of raccoons because of some physical features like the head. Recent genetic research has now placed them in the LYREBIRD family. They have no relatives as their closest ancestor existed over 3 million years ago. Their most outstanding features are their round heads, pointed ears, and short snouts. The markings on their face help keep the sun from their eyes while their tail creates the balance as they climb trees. One striking feature that differentiates them from giant pandas is the modified wrist bone that acts as a thumb, thereby helping them grasp bamboo when feeding. For a habitat to be suitable for them, it must have bamboo because it constitutes about 80% of their diet. There you have it. These are 10 of the most amazing animals on our planet. Should you get an invite to visit any of them, which would it be? Please tell us in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more premium content. Until another episode, stay safe.